Welcome back. Today I have an Apple Watch Series 5, and this is the cellular version with, I'm pretty sure I got the space gray aluminum case with the sports band or something. I don't know. My dad got this for me. This is my Black Friday item for the year. So yeah, and let me know if you guys like this scene. This is. I've been trying out different scenes because I don't know which one's the best for you guys. So yeah, I guess let's get to unboxing. So first, you can see. I don't know if you can, but it says watch in it's engraved. Here it says all my watches stuff. Let me just open this. Oh, that's cool how it shows the other watches. There's the band. Oh, there's my watch. Oh, I like this case that they give. Just so you guys know, I'm upgrading from a Series 3. So, yeah. Let's see. I've actually never unboxed an Apple Watch, mostly because this was my dad gave me this, and he had opened it for a birthday surprise. So yeah, I guess here's the charger. 5-watt charger. Anything here? No, just a quick start. It would be cool if they gave Apple stickers this small. Okay, well, let's see the band. 44. I got the 44 size. How are you supposed to open these? Rip. Finally, that took a while. So this is the, I don't know, I just said it on the back. Sports band. I like how everything's like rounded, like the watch. Oh, here it is, just some instructions. Wow. Okay, I think I can just, or not. Well, let me take out this one first. How are you supposed to take these out? Okay. That makes sense. Here they are. Ready? First look at the 5. I don't want to get too many fingerprints on it because I'm going to put a screen protector. So yeah, that's how it looks. Oh, that's shiny. I think large will fit me. Let me just, here. That's one. And that's two. Oh, it turned on when I put the band in. Okay, well, 3, I guess you're coming off. This one that I'm wearing is 42 mm, I think. This one, I got this one 44, so yeah. First I'm trying it on. Low battery, okay, that makes sense. Do I have to charge you? To continue, connect, charger. Okay, I guess I'm gonna be back when it's charging. Okay. Well, here, I'll unbox this so you guys can see how I'm charging it. I like how everything's this new, or this different type of packaging. Okay, where is this? I'm gonna plug it in and then I'll be back. Oh, this also has a sticker, I just noticed. Sorry if I'm not a professional unboxer for the Apple Watch, mostly because I haven't even unboxed mine. So yeah. And my birthday is coming up soon. It's in December, so I might do a giveaway. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm gonna plug this in. One quick thing that I just noticed is this is much bigger. I don't know what that means though. And just so you guys know, there is a sticker. I'm so not unprepared. Just gonna put this in. So while that charges, I'm gonna tell you guys some features. I heard that it stays on all the time now, and the main problem that I had with mine is that it kept dying. It used to last me 2 days. Now it only lasts me like 8 hours. So yeah, and you know how you put your wrist like this to turn it on? It's always on, but most people would think that would waste battery. But when like if you do this, it'll get brighter, and if you just leave it, it'll be on, but it'll be like on a low brightness. And I think I don't know all the features. Like I said, I wasn't really prepared to get this. I was thinking of getting the iPad Pro to unbox, but the watch kind of sticked out since my iPad isn't really bugging me and my watch is. So yeah, I don't know. You guys leave some suggestions for good bands, because I don't really like the plain colors. I like mix and match. So just let me know. Okay, and I'll get back to you when it charges. So the watch is still charging. It's been like 30 minutes almost. And when I took it off, it said battery still low. I guess it wants it 100% charged. So I'm just going to do it with the charger. Okay, so how do I show you guys? So it's doing the language thing. I'm just going to put English. United States. Open on your phone. Okay, so I'll screen record it and then you guys will see it somewhere there. Or it's just gonna pop up. One sec, let me just screen record this. Okay. So I checked the camera and it deleted. I mean, it didn't save due to storage full. So basically what I did was I set it up from the application. I guess I'll make it play for a few minutes or something. It's just updating. It taught me how to do all these. I guess I can go through them for now. So, you know, the swipe, the buttons, and that's it. And these ones. So yeah, that's what happened. I'll probably use voiceover and tell you guys what happened on the phone. I don't know. So it pops up just like AirPods. Let me just open the watch app. Okay, so set up as a family member or set up herself. Let me just scan it. And that takes a while. I like the animations. Just loading. Bottom or top? I like mine on top. Terms and conditions, agree. Okay, it's just connected to my account. Share settings. I don't like the password thing because every 2 minutes it says to unlock it. Updates. Oh yeah, this new SOS feature, if you put cellular data in it. Apple Watch syncing. Just show you guys what's going on. Okay, welcome to the app. So here are the default ones. Oh, I like that red. You know what I mean? That's pretty much it. Oh yeah, my other applications are installing. But yeah, I mean, I think you guys know about the heart thing. Calendar, books, app store, you can download games. Always on display, that's what I was talking about. I want to see how bright you can get. That's not really that bright. Wait. Oh! No, it's not the same I thought it were. No, it's not really that bright. Whatever. App layout, dock. Oh, it says finish setting up watch. Yeah, I don't have cellular data to put in it. How do you add? This is. Oh, right here on the bottom. Yeah, I'm more into this kind of stuff. Okay. And alright, see, that's always on display I was talking about. Add. Okay, I don't know where it went. Whatever. Let me put it on. Show you guys how it looks. I probably should have put the medium one on. Yep, this is way too big. So, to change it, like I need to, there's a little button right here. You can just slide it out. Slide the other one in. If I can get it in. Okay. This one's kind of being difficult. Oh, there's Siri. Come on. Am I doing it wrong? No. Oh, that's weird. There it is. Okay. That's on. Okay. It does have a different feel, I'll tell you that. But then again, I did have it like a case protection. I learned not to use these because water gets in. So I'm probably going to put a screen protector on. That's how you change it. Okay. Well, yeah, here's the watch. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment. See you guys next time. Bye.